everybody. So what I've tried to show you with this video is how I start an abstract painting. It's a very intuitive kind of a process. However, there is some method to the madness. And like for instance, when I'm working on this one, what I try to do is I try to have big shapes against smaller shapes. So I try to have differences. This color is a it's a color, and this one is black. So it's like I want the contrast, and the shape is like this is very kind of loose and unstructured. The star is very structured. So that's what I try. I try to create contrasts and differences to create interest. So like with this painting, what I've tried to do is I have this big shape here, of course, and then I have and it's red, obviously, and then I have this green shape, which is a complementary color. It's another color. It's much smaller. This shape is much bigger. Then I have this kind of light area in here, which is different than the other things. The edges are somewhat hard in here, but this is very loose, and this is loose too. But so I'm just starting it, and that's how I look at it, and you can too. So go and paint one of your own. So thanks very much for watching, and please tune in again. I enjoy having you here, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thanks a lot, and bye.